Hello friends, welcome to Math Succeed Basic Trigonometry tutorial. So far we have been using degree to measure angles of a triangle. Now we have to deal with unit circle to learn trigonometric values. We can use degree measure in unit circle. However, radian measures are more efficient to use than degree measure, and you will know why in this lesson. So in this lesson you will learn about radian measure and convert from degree to radian and also radian to degrees. To understand the radian measure, I have drawn a unit circle. A unit circle is a circle with radius 1. So in this unit circle, the center O is at the origin of a two-dimensional plane. If the radius is at the initial position OX and start moving in anti-clockwise direction, it will make an angle which is theta. The angle theta is measured in radians. Since the radius moved to its current position, let's say P, it made an arc length of S. The length of the arc is theta multiplied by radius. Let's call this equation 1. If you divide each side of the equation 1 with radius r, we get S, which is arc length, divided by r equals to theta multiplied by r divided by r. R cancels out and we have theta equal to arc length S divided by R. Let's find out how much is 1 degree in terms of radians. We know that the theta is arc length divided by radius. The circumference of a circle is the maximum length that the arc can cover. The circumference is 2 pi, which is equal to 360 degree. Now let's divide each side with 360 degree. 2 divides 360 by 180 and 360 by 360 is 1. Therefore 1 degree equals to pi by 180 degrees. To find the value of 1 radian in terms of degrees, we know that 2 pi is equal to 360 degree. Now divide each side by 2 pi and pi divided by pi becomes 1 and 360 divided by 2 is 180 degree. Therefore 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi. The equation 1 degree equals 180 divided by pi is used to convert from degree to radians. So if you multiply each side with a degree measure which you want to convert to radians, you will get answer in terms of radians. Similarly, the second equation 1 radian equals to pi divided by 180 degree can be multiplied with a radian value that you want to convert to degree. You will get the equivalent degree value. So next we are going to see a few examples of conversion from degree to radian and radian to degrees. Convert 30 degrees into radians. To convert 30 degrees, we will use the degree to radian formula. It is 1 degree equals pi by 180. Whenever you want to convert to radians, make sure that the numerator is in radians like pi in this formula. This is an easy way to remember the formula. Now multiply each side with 30 degrees because we want left side equal to 30 degrees. The 0 cancels out. 3 divides 18 by 6. Therefore 30 degree equals to pi by 6. Convert pi by 4 into degrees. To solve this problem, we will use the radian to degree formula. 1 radian equals 180 degree divided by pi. Whenever you convert radian measure to degree measure, make sure that numerator contains 180 degree. Now multiply each side by pi by 4 so that we have pi by 4 on the left side of the equation. Pi is cancelled out and 4 divides 180 by 45. Therefore, pi by 4 is equal to 45 degrees. Let's recap everything. In this lesson, you learned about radian measure, its relationship with arc on the circle and radius. You also learned how to convert from radian to degrees and degree to radians.